Hi guys. I don't know if you're like me, but I like to have the garage all squared away and everything in places that I know I can get at it easily. And when we picked up the Knaus, the garage was quite spacious, but wasn't the best for packing away because it was just one big open space. So what we decided to do was to go back to Phil at Dubcraft that converted the T6 for me a year or two ago, and give him the job of sorting out storage for me. So what I did was I threw everything in the back of the garage that I thought we might need, and also took him our 2 electric mountain bikes and said, you know, do your best, see what you can do. And we got it back last week, so we've come over for the weekend, and I'd like to give you a quick show around what he's done, so you can see what's possible. We looked on the internet to try and find something that we could just buy, and we couldn't find anything. There was a couple of options that we saw at the Motorhome show, and they were all coming from Germany, probably really expensive, and probably still wouldn't have done the exact job that we needed. So we've got it back now, and I've just taken everything out to give it a bit of a clean, make sure that things are in the right boxes and I could label them up, etc. Yeah, I'll show you what's done. So first of all, a bit of storage in the doors, helps with keeping things out the way. When we come back from walking, we can get shoes in there and save having to put them inside. And then looking inside, what we've done is we have a step over to the left, which underneath gives us space to put windbreaks and parasols and things like that we might need in the future. And then we've got a step on this side that these boxes will drop into, and another shelf up here which has got our foldable table and some other shelf space at the side. Next were the folding chairs that we use, and we've got some Isabella chairs which are quite big. So what he did was put another shelf across the top with a rubber cover on, and they then took up there, and these wooden handles then swivel, as you can see, to lock them into place. And over here there was a bit of a challenge putting the solar panels that we use with our jackery away. So we made a little envelope really out of wood here that they drop into, and then this handle then releases them so they can come out quite easily. So again, we've not lost any space by getting those in and away. A couple of coat hooks up there so we can put wet coats away and not have to have them inside the van. So that's what we've got with it in open space. The awning jack handle is secured back up there, and we repurposed the mounting points here and at the bottom so that we can put things on the shelves with some bungees and lock those away. This pad here was a slight afterthought but works really well, and what that does, that holds our electric cool box, and the feet on the cool box drop into these round slots so that if I hit the brakes hard it won't rock or move around, it stays quite secure. And then that really enables us to keep all of the kit that we're going to use on any trip on the shelf and in these storage boxes, and then still frees up this central space to put our 2 electric mountain bikes with these axle mounting stands on each side. So one bike goes in from one way, one goes in the other, and they keeps them safe and secure. We were thinking about putting them on a tray that slides out, but it took up too much space in fairness, and don't think it really needs it. The bike's not that heavy, and I can just take the front wheels out and slide them in backwards and fasten them onto the axles. So I'm just going to sort out the boxes, make sure I've got all the things I need, and then I'll put everything away and show you what it looks like with it all done. So here you go, all packed away. As I said before, the electric cool box, wastewater, small table there, the barbecue, the kadak, and then storage boxes with electrical items and all the other kit that we generally need for a tour away. Other bits and bobs put up there, even the the washing brush attached to the hose, all the chairs away, everything neat and squared away, and then a clean garage space for the bikes to easily go in and out of. If you're interested in having something done similar, I'll leave details for Phil at Dubcraft in the comments or in the description, so by all means give him a bell. But really pleased with the outcome, and his attention to detail is really good. It certainly did everything I asked him in the brief. Hope it helps. See you later. Thanks for tuning in, and like and subscribe and all that if you're interested in following our travels next year. See you soon.